my turn to read. We got Mr. Mine. Mad Party Pick Collection. Kitty Cam.
Kitty cams, very important. We have the Mad Party Shiny Face Pokemon trading card game with Galarian Mr. Rime. And it's a very important note I have to tell all my viewers.
Maybe one sleeve, Drake.
If you are under 3, do not buy this. The pin contains sharpness and it could hurt 3-year-olds. The pin is very deadly, okay?
I didn't.
The pin could hurt.
I didn't ask for your opinion.
But they did. Hi, Chloe. Chloe.
Well, how
Chloe
did my
has come
pin
to
go?
join us because she
Mom.
wants to open packs.
Mom, you scared me. Here you go.
Hi, Chloe. Thank you for joining us. Oh, she's gone. Okay.
Drake,
Yes.
you can open first. I'll go second. Jago last.
Wait, really? Oh, okay, cool.
Yeah.
Wait, me first?
Yeah.
I almost hit you, man. It went.
Ah!
So that was a scary sighting. So are you ready to see something?
Happy face. Oh, you want happy face? Let me undo my happy face for a second. Wait. I want to undo my happy face.
And 3 packs of the shiny face. It's awesome. It's sick.
We both got 2 of these bad boys.
Code.
Take the code if you want to make a Charizard.
I have to make a point for the reason if you're under 3, be careful. Deadly pins.
When was this made?
Deadly pin. That's deadly, guys. If you're under 3, or if you know someone under 3, steal the pin from them. You'll be saving their life, probably.
What the heck?
That pin can be very deadly.
I can't find where it says it was made. Why does this pack say M for medium? Look, this is M for medium. It's packed medium. It says an M if you flip it.
Why can't I say large?
Wait,
It
what?
does?
Yeah.
Where?
No, they all say medium.
Mine said large. That one says medium. I was joking. Start the video.
Where?
Drake.
Guys, I'm going to be opening.
Well, that's really cool. Pikachu has to say something. I love you all, and please subscribe so we can get the way for 1,000 million subscribers so we can do giveaways. But without the million, so 1,000, woo! Good luck. I
Yes.
just got confused.
We're about to be opening our 3 shiny fate boxes.
Yeah, they should open a lot faster.
A lot faster, dude.
No, do it as slow as you can. So Jago,
I'll count the cards, so when it's gonna be the reverse hollow slot, you're gonna go slow.
yeah, when it's a reverse hollow shot, you go very slow. Just in case it comes. Really good reverse hollow.
I didn't even that slow, right?
But he did.
Slow poke.
Yeah, some shiny stuff.
So we have our 3 friends right here. Umbreon, Espeon, and Pikachu with an awesome outfit on. Do you know what Pikachu's wearing? Challenge for all
Write in
you
the
viewers.
comments if you can. I think you could pull it in the set, but not the version it is. Hopefully you like the hint.
Extreme hint. We have a Leaf Energy,
Wow, you're so
Team
annoying.
Yell Towel, Thwacky, Tropas, Cacnea, Chewtle, Eevee,
Slow down.
Nickit,
Slow.
Don't. Reverse hollow.
Reverse Hollow Team Yellow Towel, and Boxes Orders.
That's a rare, I think. Wait, I don't have that for my collection.
Really?
Yeah, I'm making it.
I like 15 of them.
Here you go. I have like 20 of them. Actually, I haven't opened that many packs, so I don't have 20 yet. But I might.
That means every single pack you've opened, you've got that.
Yeah.
I don't have one.
And second pack, here we go.
Have one of us ever gotten a dud?
What's a dud?
Like you got 0 pulls and 3 packs from this?
I don't think so.
No.
Nothing Drake got before.
No.
Yeah, you had one dud.
Really?
I've never had a dud.
I have.
Well, is a hollow a dud?
No.
No.
Well, yeah. One time you only got a hollow.
I'm good luck.
Yeah, Drake only got one hollow.
Hold
for
on.
one.
Wait a minute.
I got-
Alright. Drake. Why did you show it?
I did. Didn't
Yes, you
guys?
have a V or a shiny V.
I got a Dig.
Drake, just
no.
go, Drake. You just showed what
Ditto.
you have.
I got a Ditto V.
Drake, just go.
Max.
Come on, bro.
V Max, yeah.
One.
Water Energy, Dark
2.
Tricks, Eldegrass,
3,
Gym Trader,
4,
Snom,
5,
more Petco,
6,
Cacnea,
7.
Slow
Chewtle,
down.
Slow. Oh, no, it's next card.
Spinark,
Slow.
Hollow Celebi, and
What did
Hollow
I see?
Disaduno.
What did we see? I don't know.
Oh, it's a
We shot a
Decidueye.
spinner rack.
When you say it, Hollow Disaduno, when it's a Hollow
Okay.
Decidueye.
Hey, who wants to do a real Pokemon card?
No, don't rip my
I was
Hollow.
joking.
You could rip a Weedle, your upside down Weedle.
Don't do that. Wait,
Or
what?
I'll rip this. We're wrap.
No, you could rip your upside down Weedle.
I'll rip a Hollow Charizard.
Don't rip anything. I need them all. I need them all.
Who wants to flip it retro? Evolution.
That's a bad
Who
idea.
wants to create a YouTube channel called
Wait,
Flip It
Jigga, why'd you say dud? Now Drake might get a dud, so.
Retro? How would that be fun? No, he already got a Hollow, so it's not done.
I'm awesome.
Great, that's 5.
Steve.
Hold
no.
up, wait a minute. This one really sparkling. Hold up, wait a minute. I saw a big sparkle.
No.
I saw the biggest
Batman
sparkle
energy?
I've ever seen in my life.
Rusty
He got
Shield.
something, I saw it.
Rotom.
There's a V card.
So when I do
You're
this,
peeking
I'm
now.
not peeking.
Oh, he got
I just
something.
can't tell what it is, so I have to look at the name.
Well, it's a
through the camera. I
Floatzel?
can't tell.
Well, I don't know
Okay,
why you
I'm
look
not peeking.
He's peeking.
Floatzel,
Write in the comments if you
Hosea?
think he's peeking.
Rowlet, Morpeko, Spinark, Snom, Reverse Hollow Rowlet, and
Green and V. Green and V! It's a squirrel.
Well, now that's definitely not a dud.
it's a squirrel. It's a wait. You can't.
Let's hop into Mr.
I find these squirrels on the trees all everywhere, and now I officially have it.
Bro, whenever I shake a tree, I try
I
and get a
officially
different
have a
Pokemon,
squirrel.
and I get that thing.
I officially have a squirrel now. In Pokemon, it's great.
Bro, in Pokemon Sword and Shield, when I try and shake a tree for a Pokemon, I get that.
Wait,
Evolution.
those are in the Pokemon game?
Yes.
Yeah, I really want whatever it's called,
Why didn't you tell
the
me?
cherries.
I'm gonna have to
Because I
go
like
Rocky
cherries.
now and go play the game. Cherries? And squirrels?
There's a water energy,
Water energies?
whatever that is. Rotom.
I'm gonna go have to play that game, I think, after
I
this
don't know what
vid.
that is. Snom, Horsey, Rowlet, Morpeko. Next card. Slow. Reverse Hollow Indeedee and Mega.
Wait a minute. Is this Indeedee
Yes.
in the game?
Yes.
It is?
But nobody uses it for how bad it is.
What?
I like Indeedee.
I'm gonna use it.
I don't even have it.
You know what?
It's
I'm
a
about
wrapper.
to go play that game.
I
I'm
have
about to
like 5
leave you
Indeedees.
I'm gonna go play that game. Goodbye, everyone.
There's a new game coming out. What's Gen 5? Wait, what are the guys? He's taking my game.
I'll be right back. You unpack so long out here.
We got Fire Energy, Flozel, Schemel Tower, Rotom, Rowlet, Trapinch, Snom, Grookey,
Okay, there's only good thing about that region.
Sparky, Morpeko, and Hollow Flossmoth. And one more pack. He's playing my game, I think.
Dude, I just turned your room upside down looking for the game and I couldn't find it anywhere.
Imagine.
Also, I wouldn't recommend going in your room right now. I flipped everything over and looking for it. It's a
How
disaster.
am I gonna go to bed tonight?
You could sleep on the
Without
couch.
Can't sleep in your bed.
You could sleep on the
Why are we talking about
couch.
sleeping in the hold up? Wait, what's on there? Who said it was nighttime?
The darkness all around us
It's
said.
9:07. Energy, Rotom,
Hold up, wait a minute.
Puzzle, Trumpus, Yama, Morpeko, Eevee, Slow,
Really sucks.
First Hollow, Boss's
Reverse
Order,
Hollow.
and Morpeko V!
Oh,
Literally the
nice.
almost exact same one that you have. That looks almost the exact same.
Peko V.
It is the exact same.
Yes, and Pokemon's lazy.
I have the exact same Morpeko, but from a different set.
Oh my goodness, I just made everyone roll over. My bad. That was not me. Oh. Here you go. It's one of the cards. I'm sorry. That's just like, I think you might be missing.
And you
I
want my
have a-
Morpeko?
Oh yeah, he's doing it. The first pack. What will he
Fighting
get?
Energy, Tropius, Gym Trainer, Rotom, Eevee, Morpeko, Wurzel, Next card. First card, Rillaboom, and a Mega regular rare.
Whoa. I'm making everyone fall. I'm so sorry.
Can I tell you guys something very, very, very
Extremely
sad?
important.
He doesn't have full art shiny.
Yeah, but I have way more baby shinies than you do.
What's in the big shiny?
Oh, yeah.
Did you guys use these?
I think you got one.
Cool.
I saw black line
gonna try and
shiny.
do
No,
something.
it's not.
I'm not sure, but
Fighting energy,
50% sure.
Copious, Luxio, TB
I'm
Trainer,
not sure if you used
Outlet.
I'm sure you got some.
Trap
I think
Bench,
you have. Who knows?
Snob,
Ooh, let's get it. Let's
so
get it.
camera, and a Skyla full art.
my goodness.
I think this might be the most expensive full art there is.
Yay!
I think it is. The most expensive trainer full art there is.
Insert clapping noises here. Wait, didn't you just say how he doesn't have a floor?
What?
Shiny.
Do I even?
But
have
Jay, was
a
that
floor?
better?
No.
Is that what you wanted?
No, I'm joking. I've already gotten 2. I've already
If you give me all your baby channels, I'll give you 2 full shinies.
Which one is it though? Shiny Charizard?
That's a good deal.
Shiny Charger is a
Where can I
full
say?
art, but from Champions Pass.
Yeah.
Now I think of it, it actually is. So there's more shiny full arts than I actually think I do. Because Champions Pass does have 1 shiny full art.
You know, you remember the Boss Baby, that show,
Yeah.
that movie, and how the babies would take power naps while they're working.
Jay, Fire Energy,
I'm taking a power nap.
Roasted Shield,
Blech.
Rotom, Cramorant,
I'll take
Nick
power
it.
nap.
Power nap. That was
Cacnea.
incredible power nap. We're gonna be good
Fair.
for another couple hours now.
Eevee,
Good morning.
Blitzel,
What's
Reverse Hollow Shinx, and a Boss's Order regular rare.
nice? We got a boss's order. We got a boss's order. It's a boss's order.
We love you guys. See you on the next one.
Thank you for
Bye
watching.
bye.
We'll see you all in the next one.
Yeah.
Please leave a like and subscribe. And party hands. You watching the vid right now, party hands. I want everyone doing party hands. Okay, this is a marshmallow concert. Everyone, party hands. He just left, but we still got party hands on